Buenas tardes, guys. It's not buenos dias because and Bar's laughing at me. Why are you laughing? Because normally I start vlogging in the morning, but it's 3 p.m. And today Bar did my hair. Hola. Hola. Bar is our how do you call it? Our co-worker. Yeah, but he's doing our nails.
He's our for everything.
So first Christina was at the hairdressers, Bar's hairdressers, but now she's at Bar's nail studio. Yesterday Bar painted my nails with a little accent, you see. It's nice. Because I haven't had nail polish since I've been traveling, so
it's been a long time.
It's been a very long time.
Have you done it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Which baby?
I have 400.
It's really nice.
I do the coat.
I love it though.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
We're gonna make vegan peanut butter. What was it? It was Christina's idea. Oh, yippee! I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. Yeah, the blue bowl is nice. Oh my goodness!
I thought it was going to be like in the TV. And this is the stuff we are using.
Peanut butter!
So now we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Yeah.
1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Yeah, the small one.
Just plop it right in there. It's gonna be totally fine.
Oh guys, look at Christina's hair by the way. It grew so much.
Tell me where you did your hair, Christina.
I did it at Bar's
Barbershop.
barbershop. Bar salon.
Amazing.
Alright, how much peanut butter? More?
More.
Okay.
Bring
Oh,
some
it
hair.
smells so good. Some huevos.
Bring some lemons.
It's always nice about cooking with other people because you always have something new or something different that you will never use. They're like, oh, this is so good.
Are you sure not just a tiny more peanut butter?
Maybe a little bit more. Remember
Because
that
we need it to
we
be
not
oily, you know?
not that liquid, so we can make a little bit balls.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh. I'm excited.
So much. It's more pure chocolate. It's really good.
It is good.
Because the normal chocolate we buy, it's very like
Full of sugar.
yeah. Oh my goodness.
Wow. I'm more excited than I was before.
This is so good. The peanut butter is really good. It turns out good.
And Christina,
Christina.
Tina.
Woo! Yeah. It's not sweet enough.
No.
We just tried the first cookies, but
Let's put more syrup.
we need more. peanut butter and something sweet. But they look good. Oh, look at this. Now I want to make more.
No, we're gonna make so many more.
Yeah? We're gonna make more? I love it. Christina's leaving tomorrow, but only for a couple days.
Yeah. I may come back.
Yes,
We'll make more.
We'll make more.
Yeah.
It's good.
Really good. Yeah.
So you like this one better?
I do. I think the first ones could be for like more just like snacks.
Do you want me to take a picture of you?
We're filming.
No, it's not. Thanks though.
The first ones could be like snacks because they're not super sweet, and then the second ones can be like dessert.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. But succeeded. Success. XELA.